Nanababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, we were invited by Hola for their second branch located dito po sa may Jenra Mall, Angeles City. So we're gonna get inside. If you're interested about linens, curtains, towel, carpets.
Actually, hindi lang pampasarap ng tulog, pampaganda ng bahay.
Yun guys, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Hola. Ayan. So this is sample of their bohemian bed sheet. So yung mga bed sheets natin, meron na din siyang pillowcase, additional 2 pillowcase. So depende sa size.
Starting from 270 pesos hanggang 350 pesos yung king size.
Yung mga designs natin, printed na talaga yung brand ni Hola.
Yes.
So that's another milestone for them. In the near future, lahat ng mga items natin dito, branded
Hola
na ni
brand
Hola.
na.
For these curtains, these are...
Blackouts po. Yung hindi na po talaga tumatagos yung sunlight and hindi na po kayo kita sa loob. Super perfect po nito para sa mga tao na minsan may insomnia, sa umaga na nakakatulog, ganun po.
Okay. So price natin is 350 pesos.
Per piece.
And ano yung dimension niya nun?
Yung width niya po is 55 inches. Then yung length po for 7 feet is 85 inches po. We do customizes po. Additional 30 pesos po. Then less 30 naman po kung gusto niyo ng mas maikli po.
And then your side naman po are the regular curtains. Okay. So ito yung mga semi-see-through. And the price is?
170 po.
170. Same then, we can customize it?
Yes po, same din po.
So dito sa scent, these are your fluffy blankets. How much yung mga fluffy blankets natin?
Yung for the single size po, we have 150 pesos. Para naman sa queen, 250 po.
Napakalambot niya. And when it comes sa size, malaking malaki. Sakop kayong
So
lahat.
queen and single yung available natin.
Yes.
Towels po, 100 pesos each po. Then we also have stripes po. This one is microfiber po, 100 pesos din po each.
Ito yung mas malambot na tela, yung microfiber. Pero at the same time, it's your choice. Pwede kayong mamili ng cotton o yung microfiber. Same price lang naman sila.
Yes po, 100 pesos each po.
Canadian cotton bed sheets po.
Open natin yung sample.
And anong available size natin dyan?
Yes.
Single to king po. Meron po kami available.
Kahit malaki yung mga beds, yung mga pang-mansion na beds, pwedeng-pwede dito.
And ito talaga yung terno ng mga pang-mansion na brother.
Ooh, ito yung maganda.
Fully garterized na po.
This one is fully garterized. And then meron mga 4 corners lang din tayo.
Sabi nga nila, when it comes to Canadian cotton, ito yung mga hindi madaling mangupas, hindi madaling maghimulmol, and talagang magandang quality.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa physical store namin. We are here at Jenra Grand Mall po. We're open also at 9 AM and closing time 8 PM.
Like and follow po to see more updates. Sa Instagram po, Hola Decor, and then sa TikTok account naman po is Hola Decor Philippines. So for busy mommies po or mga titas, you can also check our Shopee and Lazada account. Just search Hola Decor.
Actually, ang dami mong choices dito sa may Hola, lalong-lalo na kapag ikaw yung mga nagde-design ng bahay or kahit yung mga kwarto lang.
For sure, mga mommies, mga ladies, mga women, even mga ate, decors their house, may excite po dito sa Hola. So again, congratulations Hola for your second brand. Guys, if you like this video, if you like anything about what you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. When you share it guys, tag nyo pong We're in Pampanga para po ma-thumbs up din namin.
Yes, alright. So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys!